Top 12 Traditional Egyptian Dishes. Every country's culture revolves around food. To learn more about Egyptian culture, here is a list of 12 typical Egyptian meals that you must taste while in Egypt. Number 1. Ful Medames. The most popular street food snack in Egypt, ful is a paste of mashed broad, fava, beans flavored with garlic and olive oil. It is labeled out of large copper pots, often into pockets of pita bread and typically sold as an inexpensive takeaway sandwich. Number 2. Tamiya. Tamiya is an Egyptian street food favorite that is similar to falafel. It is made of mashed fava beans and parsley, instead of chickpeas, which are used elsewhere around the Mediterranean. It is often served as a sandwich with salad and is produced in the shape of flat discs rather than round balls. Number 3. Koshari. One of Egypt's most well-known dishes, koshari is a rice, brown lentil, and macaroni dish topped with fried onions and a spicy tomato sauce. It is typically served in koshari restaurants that specialize in the meal. Number 4. Kebab and Kofta. A favorite Egyptian food meal is flame-grilled lamb pieces, kebab, and spiced minced meat formed into a sausage and roasted on a skewer, kofta. It's usually served with a flatbread disc and a simple chopped tomato and cucumber salad. Number 5. Baba Ganoush. Despite the fact that many people believe it originated in Lebanon, baba ganoush is quickly becoming a popular dish on Egyptian restaurant menus. It's a creamy mixture of roasted eggplant, olive oil, garlic, sesame paste, tahini, and lemon that has a texture similar to hummus and is served over pita bread. Number 6. Feteer Meshaltet. One of the traditional old food, feteer is a light, flaky multi-layered bread made from dough stretched paper thin and folded several times. It is served stuffed with minced meat or cheese or just plain brushed with samneh, ghee, or dusted with icing sugar. Number 7. Egyptian Fatteh. It is a dish of meat, beef or chicken, rice, garlic, and layers of dry bread soaked in broth. It is usually cooked in the oven and served with yogurt and nuts. Number 8. Mahshi. Another great dish for vegetarian travelers. It basically consists of baked vegetables, usually peppers, zucchini or aubergine, stuffed with rice mixed with aromatic herbs, parsley, coriander. It is accompanied by a drink sauce. Number 9. Alexandrian Kebdah. It belongs to the street food but it is also cooked at home. The liver is prepared with hot pepper and garlic or onion can be added. As for the sausage, it is usually cooked in different ways, but mainly with tomato sauce and hot pepper. Both are served with pickles. Number 10. Basbousa. A tasty dessert that has crossed borders, the basbousa is of Ottoman origin. Found in different countries, it is favored by people all over the world. The name of the delicacy changes from country to country. It is called basbousa in Egypt. The Egyptian version is usually thin, soaked in sweet syrup, soft inside and covered with almonds and fresh cream. Number 11. Hawawshi. Hawawshi is a traditional food in Egypt. It's a bread, something similar to pita bread, that is usually filled with minced meat, onion, pepper. Hawawshi is perhaps best known as a staple of home-style Egyptian cooking to make you feel good. Number 12. Umm Ali. This is a must-have dessert, even if you set foot in Egypt for a few minutes. Umm Ali, which means Ali's mother, is made of layers of puff pastry soaked in milk and mixed with nuts, raisins, coconut flakes, and sugar, and then baked. The baked dough with the hot milk, complemented with several different ingredients, makes this a dish to remember. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to get updates on new videos.